Colorado, well, we are tracking some heavy rain. It's nowhere near as intense as the rain that they have been getting in Texas. Taking a look outside right now, I-25 in Fillmore. This is an area where you can see the splash on the I-25 corridor thanks to the cars driving through and the heavy rain falling in place. The rain may slow you down this afternoon and this evening, so keep that in mind as you are heading out. The only severe storm that I have to tell you about right now is in Custer County, where we do have a severe thunderstorm warning for the next about 15 minutes. This does include Silver Cliff as well as West Cliff. We had a report of penny-sized hail in this area. Storm looks like it has weakened at least somewhat, but we're continuing to keep an eye on it as it moves off toward the south and east. Another area of rain near Colorado Springs, really impacting northern parts of the city and central Colorado Springs as this cell too moves off toward the south and east. It is much weaker though than it was earlier this afternoon. It is going to continue sliding off toward the southeast, though eventually pushing into Fort Carson here within about the next 30 to 45 minutes. Heaviest rain currently, as I mentioned, is falling over central and northern parts of the Springs. Thankfully, no severe weather, though, to report to you in El Paso County. Farther toward the north, if you are traveling toward Denver this afternoon or into this evening, you are going to hit this storm in Larkspur that has been producing a bit of hail along with very heavy rain. These strong storms will continue dropping off toward the south and east, which means eventually they could be making their way into the Pikes Peak region. So we are far from done with the rain this evening. We are continuing to track the potential for storms to continue sliding off toward the south and east. By 10 o'clock, heaviest rain will be along a line from Burlington toward Walsenburg. So it's going to start to slide out of the Pikes Peak region and drop farther toward the south and east. Across the eastern plains, we'll keep the heavy rain going well into tomorrow morning. Would like to moderate rain along I-25 for the morning drive, so not a bad idea to count on a slower drive into work tomorrow morning. By lunchtime, we'll have a few spotty showers. Could see a few stronger storms, though, once again moving in late tomorrow afternoon and into the evening. Storms we end up with tomorrow, though, are not expected to be quite as widespread as what we are tracking out there right now. They will still be capable of producing some heavy rain, though, so we are going to need to monitor area burn scars. Lingering showers expected through midnight, but then everything clears out of here by Thursday morning. Temperatures tonight will be dropping into the 40s and 50s. I expect high temperatures tomorrow to stay on the cool side. We're only getting into the 60s and 70s, but warmer air is on the way. It moves in later this work week. 76 on Thursday with only a 10% chance for storms. We'll dry it out. Friday looking very nice, 83 degrees. Spotty storms will be possible through the weekend, but take a look at Tuesday right now looking to be the warmest day of the next 7 days with a high temperature of 86. In Pueblo, 69 degrees tomorrow, and then we are in the 80s. We will stay there through the weekend into early next week, and then we're going to hit 90 degrees by next Tuesday. In Canyon City tomorrow, 68, 80 degrees on Thursday. We'll keep the 80s in place all the way through the weekend and into early next week. Could see a few spotty storms throughout the weekend afternoons rather. In Teller County, 57 degrees tomorrow with mid 60s on Thursday. 70s expected on Friday with another chance for storms as we head into the weekend. And of course, we are always tracking the storms for you, not only here on KRDO News Channel 13, but also Facebook, Twitter, and KRDO.com. One way that you can stay ahead of the storm, of course, is our Storm Tracker 13 weather app, which is free for your iPhone and your Android. Best part about that app, first thing you see is radar when you open it up, which is a super easy tool to use and something that you definitely want to have handy as we are in the heart of severe weather season here.
Second best part, it's totally free.
Totally. I mean, that is the best part. That's one.